Hello there, and welcome back to the 5 Books. Do you want to be a millionaire? Do you want to know the best strategies and books to make more money? If so, this video is for you. Today we give you the most important books to be a millionaire. Let's jump in. Book number 1. The Millionaire Fastlane, by M.J. DeMarco. This first book is a must for every aspiring millionaire. Tips: focus on the long term, know that getting wealthy takes time, produce, don't consume, build something that offers value to the world, and start a business based on control, entry, need, time and scale. Book number 2. Principles, by Ray Dalio. This book's lay out principles to help you succeed in life and business. Tips: think for yourself, but don't ignore the inputs of others. Write down your goals and plan. Be an imperfectionist, focus on the 20-80 rules. And finally, remember that your habits frame success. Book number 3. The Richest Man in Babylon, by George S. Clason. Follow these 7 cures. Pay yourself first, save 10% at least of everything you earn, control your spending, put your money to work, protect your principal from loss, own your home, plan for retirement early, and increase your earning ability by building different revenues income. Book number 4. Think and Grow Rich, by Napoleon Hill. This book shows you the mindset required to become rich. Tips: you have to want it deeply, with a fierce desire for success. Believe that you can achieve your goal. Use affirmations to reach your goal and visualize your success. Gain experiences and continue learning. Book number 5. The Millionaire Next Door, by Thomas J. Stanley. This last book shares the surprising wealth secrets of the richest. Tips: live within your means. Educate yourself. Choose your career wisely. Invest for the long term. Pay off debt. Avoid lifestyle inflation. And marry the right person. Hope you liked our book's recommendation. Let us know in the comment which of these 5 books you want to read. Click on the link in the description to find the book you want. Do you know other great books to become a millionaire? Let us know in the comments. We would love to know your book's recommendation. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss the upcoming videos. See you.